Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're stacking up Zoho CRM, Hubspot, and Attio, three CRMs competing for your workflow. Let's find out which one actually fits you. Zoho CRM gives you a ton of features: sales pipelines, marketing automation, and AI tools, all at a low cost. It's great for businesses that want customization and don't mind a learning curve. HubSpot is user-friendly and clean. Its free plan is solid, and it's especially good for small to mid-sized teams who want marketing and sales tools under one roof. But advanced features can get pricey fast. Attio is the fresh pick, lightweight, modern, and built for teams that want relationship-driven CRM. It syncs with your emails and tools in real time and feels like Airtable meets CRM. If you're on a tight budget and want deep features, Zoho CRM is strong. If you care about simplicity and growth-ready tools, HubSpot might be the move. But if you want something modern and team-focused, I lean toward Attio since it's clean, fast, and built for collaboration. That's your quick CRM breakdown: smart, simple, and scam-free.